I have to put the hose up, and I have to turn this off the right way. The sun is setting. I've watered all the plants. And now I have to turn the generator off and make sure that the tank fills up. Y'all know I have ran this well over, so I don't have any room for... Wait, hold on. Hold on, I need to turn off the hose. I need to turn off the hose first. Hold on. Righty, tighty, lefty. Wait, I'm turning it left though. I know that's off. No, it's going full force. Righty, tighty. Oh, wait. There we go. Okay, it's off. Okay, now I'm supposed to let the generator run so that it fills up the tank. And then once it fills up the tank, I'm going to turn off the generator.